you a quick tutorial on clan resources. There is already a video on how to make donations. Let me show you where some of these donations go. For instance, our clan capital is at level 1. In order to increase the clan capital, which will increase the number of buildings we're allowed to have, as well as some other factors in our little kingdom, we can look at the resources by clicking on the clan capital and clicking on resources. Right now I have 0 dragon coins here. That will change. These are the individual resources, how much I have, how much the tile they're on is giving us in benefit. For instance, scientific tractates, which are made at the university. I have a 90% bonus from the tile that it's on. I have 3,277 tractates available. Those are the ones that we use to buy bonuses, like during the Great Hunt and so forth. We use the scientific tractates to buy the bonuses. All right, religious tractates. 90% tile. It's a little slower developing. We also use those to benefit our troops in the clan. Boards are your timber. We have 5,536, 37, 38. It's also on a 90% tract, 90% tile. Now, when it comes to timber, steel, and cement, steel is here, and notice that it's on a 30% bonus. That's because the size that our clan is right now, it could not incorporate all the tiles with the big bonuses. I got a space that incorporates all except for the steel. Look down here at the cement, and it's at a 90% bonus. And we have 1,749. In order to upgrade any building, we have to have the correct amount of boards, steel, and cement. So I will show you when we go to a building. Let me show you the what it takes to upgrade. For instance, if I wanted to upgrade the university, I have to have all 3 resources, and that gives you the amount. Like you saw, we had 5,000K of one resource and 1,000K of another resource. Well, I have to have 130K of each resource in order to upgrade the clan university. And this is my rate of production. This is how much is in the warehouse, and this is what is produced per hour. And you can see this graph on any of the resource buildings. So that way you know, for instance, our goal is always to be up here, but that takes a while to get to. But if you look at these and you've got a little extra to donate and you want to know which resource needs it the most, look at this graph, look at where the green column is, and that will tell you how we're doing. For instance, we're just over 7 mil right here. So dumping a little bit in here would help keep us over that. Now, if you happen to have a whole nother 7 mil of silver you want to dump into the university, well, that would bump us up here. All right. So we're going to look at timber or lumber. We are at 11 million. If we were at 12 million, it would bump our production. So when you look at this and you say, well, you know, I can put in 1 mil, or not even 1 mil, I can put in 900K, and that would bump us up. Then you might consider doing that. These are the differences that it makes when we get these resources, is how quickly we can produce so that we can reach the amount that we need to upgrade buildings. And I'll show you again, this is the timber or forestry, whichever you wish to call it. And notice this one doesn't cost as much, but it's still 65K to upgrade. I can tell you the first thing I'm going to upgrade will be the clan capital. And then after that, I will put in another fort to expand our area and upgrade the resource buildings. All right, so each one of these has this characteristic. For instance, here's our clan masons. Notice how low we are in our clan masons. We're not even at 3 mil. So right now, our most urgent need is stone. All right. And then finally, oops, wrong one, Clan Foundry. And this is where we are on here. And this is the one with the lowest bonus. But if we expand our borders out here, there are tiles that have a higher bonus. Iron and steel there is 60%, which beats the heck out of the 30% where it is now. But there is our border, and until I can expand that border, I can't reach out here and get this for our resources. Other things from the clan capital, bonuses. The numbers you're seeing over here, the 150, the 220, these are what the scientific tractates pay for. So for instance, conquest points in defense. If I activated that tractate and you were attacked on clan territory, like during Clash for Thrones, then this would increase the number of conquest points you got for defending yourself. Same thing with experience in defense, army health. All of these things are things that we can buy with the scientific tractates. And remember, the scientific tractates are produced at the university. It produces the scientific tractates for strengthening the clan. The more we produce, the more we can buy for the bonuses for the clan. And those bonuses are timed, so I will activate those bonuses when we have enough tractates to do it, during the times when it will serve us the best, such as during Clash of Thrones. So now you know a little bit about where it goes when you contribute and how that works. If you have more questions, please ask. Thanks.